I have used both the Google Pixel 1080p Pro XL and the Google Pixel 8 Pro. These phones are new and have many features to compare. Today I will talk about their design, display, performance, cameras, and battery. I will not go into details now, just a quick look. If you want to buy one, you can check the latest prices on Amazon. The links are in the description. Later, I will explain what I think about each part of these phones. This way, you can decide which one fits your needs best. Both phones are made with good materials. They are made to last and feel good in your hand. So stay with me as I compare these phones step by step. You will learn the strengths and weaknesses of each device. This can help you make a smart choice. Now, let us begin with their body design and feel. The Google Pixel 1080p Pro XL has a body that measures approximately 162.8 mm in length, 76.6 mm in width, and 8.5 mm in thickness. It weighs about 232 grams. The phone is made with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both front and back, and it has an aluminum frame. The Google Pixel 8 Pro is slightly smaller, with a body that is about 162.6 mm long, 76.5 mm wide, and 8.8 mm thick. It is lighter, weighing around 213 grams. Both phones feel solid and high quality in hand. They are comfortable to hold thanks to their smooth materials. The XL model is a little larger and heavier, which may affect how it feels when you hold it for a long time. Overall, both phones are well made and feel premium. The Google Pixel 1080p Pro XL has a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display. It features a resolution of 2992 by 1344 pixels. The display can refresh from 1 to 120 times every second. It supports HDR10+ and can reach up to about 3300 nits in brightness. The Google Pixel 8 Pro has a 6.7-inch QHD plus LTPO OLED screen. It also refreshes up to 120 times every second and supports HDR. Its pixel density is about 489 pixels per inch. Both screens are bright and sharp, with smooth refresh rates. The XL has a slightly larger display, which is good for media and gaming. The Pixel 8 Pro offers a high-quality display in a smaller size, making it easier to hold and use. The Google Pixel 1080p Pro XL runs on the Android 16 platform with a Google Tensor G5 chip. It has an octa-core processor with a mix of high and mid-range cores. The phone performs well with multitasking and demanding apps. The Google Pixel 8 Pro uses Android 14 and a Google Tensor G3 chip. It also has an octa-core processor, but slightly less powerful. Both phones are fast and capable. The XL handles heavy tasks smoothly, while the Pixel 8 Pro is also very responsive. The difference in performance is small but noticeable to some users. Both devices are optimized for their hardware. They can run most apps and games efficiently. The choice depends on how much power you need for your daily tasks. The Google Pixel 1080p Pro XL offers options of 256GB, 522GB, or 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. It has 16GB of RAM. The Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB of UFS 3.1 storage. It has 12GB of RAM. Both phones do not have a card slot for extra storage. The XL model has more RAM and faster storage options. The Pixel 8 Pro has a smaller amount of RAM, but still offers plenty for most users. Storage options are generous on both phones. You can choose based on how much space you need for apps, photos, and videos. The main camera on the Google Pixel 1080p Pro XL is a triple setup. It includes a 50-megapixel wide camera with optical image stabilization. There is a 48-megapixel telephoto camera with 5 times optical zoom and stabilization too. The third camera is also 48 megapixels and ultra-wide. The camera can record 8K video at 30 frames per second and 4K at up to 60 frames per second. The Google Pixel 8 Pro has a triple camera system as well. It includes a 50-megapixel wide camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 48-megapixel telephoto with 5 times optical zoom and stabilization. It records 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. Both phones have excellent main cameras for photos and videos. The selfie camera on the Google Pixel 1080p Pro XL is a 42-megapixel front camera. It can record 4K videos at 30 or 60 frames per second. The Google Pixel 8 Pro has a 10.5-megapixel front camera. It also records 4K videos at 30 or 60 frames per second. The XL camera captures very detailed selfies, which is great for photos. The Pixel 8 Pro's front camera is smaller but still produces good quality selfies. Both phones allow you to take high-quality selfies and videos. The choice depends on whether you prefer a very high megapixel count or a more standard one. The Google Pixel 1080 Pi Pro XL has a non-removable Li-ion battery with a capacity of about 5,200 mAh. It supports 45-watt wired charging and 25-watt wireless charging. The Google Pixel 8 Pro uses a non-removable Li-ion battery with about 5,500 mAh. It supports 30-watt wired charging and 23-watt wireless charging, plus reverse wireless charging. The XL model may last longer on a single charge because of its larger capacity. Both phones can get a full day of use with typical use. The XL charges faster wired, and both offer wireless charging options. Battery life depends on how you use the phone, but both are built to last through your day. Both the Google Pixel 1080 Pi Pro XL and the Google Pixel 8 Pro have strong points. The XL offers a larger display, more RAM, and a bigger battery, making it good for media and heavy use. The Pixel 8 Pro is smaller, lighter, and has a slightly less powerful chipset but still performs well. It has a great display and good cameras. Your choice depends on what you need most. If you want a bigger screen and longer battery life, the XL is a good pick. If you prefer a lighter phone that still has excellent features, the Pixel 8 Pro is ideal. Both phones are well made and reliable. You can find the latest prices on Amazon, where the links are in the description. Choose what suits your daily needs best.